Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about a topic on surveying the previous year's question papers which might be useful for you for the examinations. First question, the length of the Kundar chain, which is nothing but survey chain, is, so there are different types of chain and their length. First one, chain and length. So for engineer's chain, it is 100 feet long. 100 feet long. So it has divided into 100 links. So in Gunter's chain, which is nothing but the survey's chain, it is 66 feet long and divided into 100 links. In the same case, revenue chain, it is 33 feet long and it is divided into 16 links. So these are the different types of chains. Revenue chain is used to cadastral survey, used for the cadastral survey. Okay, so here the option is C, 66 feet. Length of the Gunter chain is 66 feet. Next question. Determining the elevation between 2 points in the Earth's surface is known as. Elevation between the 2 points in the Earth's surface is known as differential leveling. Differential leveling is option C. Last class we had discussed about this. Elevation between the 2 points on the Earth's surface, point 1, point 2. So next question. To orient a plane table at a point with 2 inaccessible points. So this is the plane table. 2 inaccessible points, the method generally adopted. So to measure the inaccessible points, which is you do not know where there is a point is, you can use the method of 2-point problem. So I think you can study it in this, in your intermediate surveying chapter, 2-point problem, 3-point problem. So here you can use this method in 2-point problem. Next question. The line of collimation method of reduction levels does not provide a check on. So this line of collimation, it is also known as line of sight. Line of sight. So line of collimation is nothing but the imaginary line passing through the intersection of the crosshairs. So there is an imaginary line passing through the intersection of the crosshairs at the optical center of the object glass. So by the way, it can use to measure, the line of collimation method can measure the foresight reading, backside reading, sometimes reduced levels, but it cannot provide a check on intermediate sight. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. Ranging is an operation. It is a process of establishing the intermediate points on a straight line. So ranging is a process of establishing an intermediate point on a straight line. Okay, there are two types of ranging. One is a direct ranging, another one is a indirect ranging or reciprocal ranging. Indirect or reciprocal ranging. So this ranging can be done through ranging rods. Ranging rods. So next, here the option is establishing intermediate between the terminals. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. Surveys which are carried out to provide a national grid of control for preparation of accurate maps or large area. Accurate maps for large area are known as. So you see there are two types of surveying. One is a plane surveying, another one is a geodetic surveying. So this plane surveying is done on an area less than 250 kilometers square. 250 kilometers square. So this geodetic surveying is done on an area then on an area greater than or exceeding 250 kilometers square. Okay, so this surveying, so here they had given you want to find a survey for a larger area, so option B is the correct answer, geodetic surveying. So other are wrong. So in topographical survey you can survey the hills, valleys, rivers, towns, forests, etc. For in geographical survey you can show the areas including the underground resources. You can find the survey the area of underground resources, and so you can use this type. So next question, the small horizontal angle between the true meridian and survey line, so it is known as azimuth. So option C. Understand that true meridian is also known as geographic meridian. So the line or the plane passes through the either the geographic north pole or else south pole on the surface of the earth. North pole or south pole on the surface of the earth. It is known as the true meridian. Okay. This angle, there is a small angle between the true meridian and this survey line. So this point is known as the azimuth. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. So removal of parallax may be achieved by focusing. First, what is parallax? It is the movement of image relative to the crosshash. Movement of image which is relative to crosshash is known as parallax. So you see here, when the image moves up or down, either it is move up or down, it related to crosshash, it is not, the focus is not correct. So focus is not correct when it moves up or down. So when the focus is said to be correct, so there we can eliminate the parallax by focusing the telescope. You can see that by focusing the telescope. So by the way, we can actually using the objective and the eyepiece. Both A and B is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. The theodolites used for making tachymetric observation by optical wedge system. So theodolite used for making tachymetric observation is fitted with the glass wedge. So it should be fitted with the glass wedge in front of the telescope. So this is the telescope. So it should be fitted with the glass wedge, so that only we can easily measure the tachymetric observation. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Next question. Imaginary line passing through the points of having equal magnetic declination is termed as. So this is line. So here represents the north. This is magnetic bearing. So here the angle. So these isogonic lines are the lines of same declination. So same declination or equal magnetic declination. So option A is the correct answer. In agonic line, it is having a line having a 0-degree declination. 0-degree declination, it is said to be agonic line. So isoclinic line, which means, so here the line isoclinic, a line where the dip needle has a same inclination. Dip needle has same declination to the plumb line. Same inclination to the plumb bob line. So it is said to be isoclinic line. So next question. Which of the following is not used to measure the distance? You see here they had given not used to measure the distance. So tape is also used for measurement. Pacing is also used for measurement, and pedometer is also used for measurement. So this one we cannot use it for the measure the distance. So barometer is the correct answer here. Next question. Instruments used in measuring the distance. So we cannot use the offset rod, weights and plumb bob. We can use the chain to measure the distance. So option D is the correct answer here. Next question. Compass is based on the following method of inversing. Compass. When you use the compass measurement, you can use the needles, that is a free needles or loose needles. So option B is the correct answer by the free or loose needle method. Next question. In leveling, which denotes the shifting of level? So shifting of level, here it represents the benchmark. So we can, you see there are different types of benchmark there. Temporary benchmark, permanent benchmark, arbitrary benchmark. So this benchmark, GTS benchmark, they can be used permanent, temporary and arbitrary. So this denotes the shifting of leveling benchmarks. Next question. A curve followed by the another curve has a center in its opposite side is called. It is called as compound curve. So option C is the correct answer here. Next question. Method of interpolation adapted for greater accuracy in drawing of contour map. So what is the method we want to adapt here for greater accuracy? For greater accuracy we want to use the cross-sectional method so that we can easily draw the map. So cross-sectional method is used. So we cannot use the estimation method, graphical method. These so sometimes the error in arithmetic calculation also there are errors. So cross-sectional means we can easily give a great accuracy. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. Turning of the telescope of theodolite. So this is theodolite in a clockwise direction. This is clockwise direction about its vertical axis it is said to be phase change. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Next question. So that's all for today. So hope you might understand the surveying. If you have any doubts, leave your doubts in the comment section. We can clarify the doubts in upcoming lectures. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.